Is faithful. Be there for him. Don't use his weaknesses against him. Your husband is not perfect. For instance, he committed adultery 3 years ago, and then you wake up in the morning. Today is July 7th. And your husband says, "What's wrong? Why are you crying? Don't you remember today's date? It is the anniversary of your adultery." You think I can forget? There are some days I can't forget. Is it because the woman sitting beside you has not told you her own story? Who doesn't have a story to tell? Cover him up. Forgive him. Here in the grace of God we all stand. Anybody can fall into adultery. The grace of God. I got married as a virgin. Thank God for you. But please don't use that to oppress anybody here. That's what oppress us. 2 Corinthians 5:17. If any man be in Christ, he's a new creature. All things are passed away. Behold, all things have become new. Honor your husband. Some of you serve your husband's meals as if he's a dog. But when guests come, the mayor is here, that one is here, you serve, hey, salad, yeah. But the moment they go, you pack all the plates, you stack them, and you worship them every Saturday. Some people are coming to inherit those plates after the rapture. Let the man feel important. My husband's cutlery is different. His glass cup is different. In fact, there was a time I made a throne for him. He's a king in that house. Let the man matter. Let him matter. And stop talking to him anyhow. Even when you are angry, don't be rude to your husband. That's the father of your children. And some of you women, you use sex as a weapon of punishment. The man wants to touch you. One man said anytime he wanted to make love to his wife, she would be praying in tongues. He sent me a mail. That is not spirituality, it is religiosity. If there's any grammar like that. What? And then I don't understand you married women. This missionary style, I still don't understand it. Only one style. Since you got married 5 years ago. You are always underneath. When the Bible says that shall be above only. What? After today, change address. Come up hither. And you can make love anywhere. In the kitchen, in the bathroom, or kayabo shantalaba. I need to close, I beg. Praise the Lord. Beloved, let me tell you the truth. Nobody is young forever. In your children's lives, between you and your children, there are only 3 seasons. The first season, you are in charge. Sit down. Yes, Daddy. Even when the child does not want to sit down. Come here. Yes, Mommy. You are in charge. It is a season. Enjoy it. Because it will soon end. The second season in your child's life, the child is in charge. The child is in charge. He doesn't need to take permission from you. Hello, Mommy. I forgot to tell you that I'm on my way to China now. Hey, Ahamu. Yes, Mom. Yes. You should even be grateful that he told you. How many of you called the village to take permission to be here tonight? And then you step out and you notice that you missed your mother's call. Hello, Mom. She cannot beat you. She cannot say, because it is a season. The third season is the one I fear most. The child is in charge of his life and your life. The way you manage the first season will determine how he will manage the last season. Because when that child gets married, he's going to tell your story to the spouse. Mommy, me, Margaret Thatcher. So the wife is battle ready for you. That season, the child is in charge of his life and in charge of your life. You come visiting. I want pounded yam. Mommy, we cannot pound any yam tonight. You're sick. Please take me to you. Say, we've not collected our salary. We'll take you to. Okay. They will even carry you, put you in the car. Okay. Okay. What can you do? You're watching Africa Magic. They say they want to watch CNN. They flip it up. More than fair with mommy. News can't watch the Trump vessel. It's their house. If you treat them well, then they may consider honoring you. Let me tell you the truth. There are 3 kinds of children in the world. If you have boys, don't rejoice yet that you have children. You better listen before you start clapping. If you have girls, don't rejoice yet that you have children. The third category, kind children. You can have 14 children and none of them is kind. And you can have only one and it's a kind child. May God give you kind children. Oh. May envious relations not turn your children's hearts away from you. 16 years running, I have an outreach for widows, for these, I bless them and all that. I remember when we first started, I began with only elderly people. I started when I was 40. And I remember the first one, my husband ministered. And he was apologizing to those people. One man was there about 99. The man was so bad. And one woman, it was time for vote of thanks. The woman stood up and said, I sold my gold. I sold this, I sold that to send my son to the US. 4 years running. That boy is married now. He has not called me once. The wife says I am a witch. That's why I prayed for you that your children will become kind children. Because a time comes when you can no longer run around. You think I'll be running around preaching forever? No. At 56, there was a time when I could jump 200 times a day. Now it has reduced. That's the reality of life. Before you could carry anything. I'll be sharing some things with you tomorrow. Some of you that are newly married, you better enjoy sex now. The time is coming when generator will need share that among. It's life. I got it. High five. It's the reality of life. Now your husband wants to touch you, you are complaining. Every time you are complaining. You better enjoy now. Malebo Shantarabas.